Great morning, great morning. Hey folks, this is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go! So right now I just woke up. I'm on the way to the gym, driving my Maserati here, and I thought about you, okay? So I want you to listen close. I want you to put these words below, okay? Now, if you're seeking success, which you are because that's the reason why you're watching this video here, let me give you some tips here, okay? Listen, and I want you to write this below. But first, while you're listening to this, I want you to feel enthusiastic, okay? Don't, like, if you're upset right now, if you're pissed off, leave this video, okay? If you don't believe it's going to take place for you, like, if you don't believe that you're going to have a breakthrough this year, okay, and become wildly successful, leave this video, okay? And that brings me to my point. Write this down, young people and older people. You become what you think about, okay? Listen. Don't listen to my Maserati pipes here. You become what you think about. I want everybody right now, okay? If you're watching this on Facebook, YouTube, or on Instagram right here, I want you to write down, you become what you think about. Now, you probably heard that before, but I want you to think about it, okay? You become what you think about most. So the question is, when you woke up this morning, okay, what was on your mind? You, I'm talking to you, big kid, okay? When you woke up this morning, right, you got out that bed, what were the first thoughts that you were thinking about? Were you thinking about today is going to be tough? Were you thinking about today is going to be a beautiful, great day? Were you thinking about, oh, I don't want to go to work today. I don't want to go to school today. I'm tired. Even though you slept 8 hours, right? Like most poor people, you know, poor and average people, they sleep a lot, by the way. Did you wake up and say, you know what, I don't want to wake up today because I don't want to go to work, school. I don't want to do anything. Listen, you become what you think about. The question is this: what are you thinking about right now while you're watching this video here? I know you're watching me, right? I know I'm a little bit insane, but I'm rich. Okay? And what I want you to do is realize that I am giving you knowledge. Okay? This is my philosophy. The reason why I'm talking about you become what you think about, because most people who are trying to be successful are not conscious and they're not aware of what they're thinking about most of the time. See, you believe that I'm lucky. That's why I'm driving a Maserati here, right? I have 7 beautiful cars, and I love my cars. They're not like my kids, right? They're like my girlfriends. And you're thinking to yourself, well, why don't I have a nice car? Or you're thinking to yourself, well, Wesley, why do you have 7 cars? Because this is what I thought about, okay? Before I had this car, I had a 1988 Honda Accord. But I wasn't thinking about the Honda Accord. I wouldn't say, oh my God, I hate my car. I can't stand my car. My car sucks. I didn't say those words. I was grateful for my car. I was grateful for the 1988 Honda Accord. I was grateful for the broke down Range Rover. Okay? But at the same time that I was grateful, I was thinking that I was in the car of my dreams here. Okay? You see this pretty red interior here? Hit the like button if you like it. Listen. One of the main ingredients to success, is what you're thinking about most of your day, right? I know that you have commitments. I know that you have responsibilities. I know that you have negative friends, negative family, people around you. And that's distorting your thinking, and you don't have the opportunity to focus on those things that you want. What I want you to do is, I want you to search YouTube, okay? As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is, in the link below, I'm going to leave a link here, okay? I'm going to leave one of the most profound meditations that I use, which allowed me to make a breakthrough mentally. Okay, it's a meditation, and it's a meditation I want to give you for free right now. But listen, before you get it or click that button, while you're listening to that meditation, I want you to notice what you're thinking about. I want you to notice the images that are popping up in your head. I want you to notice how you feel while you're listening to the meditation, because all those components must be aligned. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your desires, they must be aligned. Okay? I'm so grateful to God that I'm able to live this type of lifestyle. Not because I just want to party every day, buy cars, buy houses, and travel the world. I get the opportunity to share it with you. You become what you think about most. Put it one more time. Before you grab that meditation, please, look at me, please. You become what you think about most. Whatever you're thinking about most of the time will manifest in your life. Period. If you're thinking about negativity, you will manifest negativity. If you're thinking about positive things, great things, it's gonna be what you're gonna manifest. Okay? And I know it's hard to grasp, because I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I've been thinking positive, but it's not working. Yes, see? I'm thinking positive, but it's not working. That's a contradiction. It's tough, isn't it? I understand. This is why I created a meditation that's very powerful, because what it does is it subliminally reconditions your unconscious mind. If you listen to this meditation right here for 30 days, it's free, by the way, and you get it, and listen, you'll never be the same. I've had over thousands of people who've reached out to me and say, Wesley, that meditation that you share with me changed my thinking and changed my financial independence here. I'm not rich yet, Wesley, but I don't have a job because I'm making $20,000 a month. Wesley, I'm not flying first class, but guess what? I'm not flying on a private jet, but I'm flying first class comfortably with my family because of this meditation. Listen, folks, it's superstars, beautiful people, even you. What you think about is what you're going to bring about, period. I know that sounds simplistic, but it's just the truth. When I woke up this morning, I woke up grateful. I woke up blessed. I woke up, all praises to the Most High God is the greatest. I woke up enthusiastic because I started to think about those things that made me feel enthusiastic. I started to think about those things that made me feel grateful. And just by thinking like that provokes feeling, which allows the universe to bring me things that I want and desire. Hey, get the meditation. It's free. It's a life changer for you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Yes! This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Later.